Let me start our assignment. First, we initialize our all the important libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Mainly numpy is used for array purposes and panda is used for data handling and matplotlib is used for graph purposes. Then we load the Boston data and describe the Boston data, and we make a data frame of all the features with column name, features name, which is CRIM, JDN, Indus, and many more. And if we want to print a unique feature such as RM, then we print like this. And if we want to print the target value, then in a data frame, then we write like this. And if we want to find the maximum and minimum of any feature or any target value, then we write like this. And now we concat the features and target in same data frame. Now we describe the features. In this we find C count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, percentile, and the maximum value. Here we find a correlation, and we using a Pearson model for our correlation. And here we get a n cross n matrix. In this we get a correlation with each one, and we finally wanted a correlation with respect to the target. And now we make a pair with respective features. That's why we use a GIF function, and then we sort with respect to the correlated value, how much they are correlated with the target, and then unzip the value. Then we get two lists. First one is for correlated value and second one is the features name. Then we plot our graph. Graph is basically correlation with target value and features name. So from graph we clearly know that LSTAT is highly correlated with the target value. Now we write in a single array, that's why v is equal to x is equal to this and y is equal to this. And for normalizing our range from 0 to 1, we use min max scalar function. Then we update our m and c values. So we write this code. For error function we write this code. Now we split our data into form test, xtest and xtrain, where test size is 0.2. Here we initialize learning rate, initial m, initial c, and error threshold, and write a code for gradient descent, which finally gives our MC and error values, MC values. Error values mainly consider all the error values, and MC values consider all the MC's value, M and C value. Now we finally got our best fit line, and this one is scatter, is xtrain and bytrain. Here we get error versus iteration. Here it clearly show if iteration increases, our error decreases. Here we get our target value and predicted value, and it is a graph which show. And now finally we get a actual range value of target value and predicted value, and this one is the graph of our predicted value and our best fit line or x test or y test scattered value.